So I've spent a lot of time in Williamsburg exploring colonial history. Let me tell you about the 5 best hotels I've found. These are my honest picks. Alright, number 5, Hampton Inn and Suites, Williamsburg Central. Look, you are paying around $130 to $220 a night here. What I loved, the rooms are genuinely clean. Beds are comfortable and the hot breakfast actually has variety, not just sad pastries. The indoor pool saved us on a rainy day. Bathrooms are nothing fancy, but everything works. It is about 10 minutes from Colonial Williamsburg. Free internet actually works well. This is my go-to when I want something reliable without drama. Perfect if you just need a solid base camp. Number 4, DoubleTree Williamsburg. Expect $140 to $250 per night. Okay, those warm cookies at check-in, they hit different after a long drive. The rooms are spacious. I actually had room to spread out my stuff. Granite bathrooms feel upscale. The outdoor pool area is nice in summer with decent mountain views. What sealed it for me, the restaurant on site is actually good, so you do not have to go out if you are exhausted. 5 minutes to Walnut Canyon. This is where I stay when I want to step up in quality. At 3, Kingsmill Resort. This runs you $180 to $350 per night. Now we're talking resort life. Set right on the James River, those water views are incredible. The rooms are bigger with separate sitting areas. Multiple pools on the property, so you're not fighting for space. The golf course is legit if you're into that. What impressed me most, the spa is actually worth the money. Full service restaurants mean you never have to leave. It's about 15 minutes from Colonial Williamsburg, but feels like a vacation within your vacation. Number 2, Williamsburg Lodge Autograph Collection. You're looking at $200 to $400 per night. This place has serious character. It's right in the historic district, so you can walk to everything. The rooms blend colonial charm with modern comfort. And I mean actually comfortable beds, not just pretty. The bathrooms are updated with good water pressure. The Forbes 4 Star spa here is no joke. Golden Horseshoe Golf Club has 36 holes if you golf. 2 on-site restaurants serve solid southern food. You can use Marriott Bonvoy points here. This is my pick for location and quality. Number 1, Williamsburg. Expect $300 to $550 plus per night here. This is the luxury property. Queen Elizabeth stayed here twice, that tells you something. The rooms are absolutely stunning with period furnishings but modern everything. The marble bathrooms are spa quality. World-class dining on site, dress code for dinner but worth it. Full spa, championship golf, impeccable service. You're literally steps from Colonial Williamsburg. Look, it's expensive, but this is where you go for anniversaries or special occasions. Best hotel experience in Williamsburg, hands down.